In DesignerLogic, you can publish entire proposals to the client portal so the client can access all of the items on it and approve them all at one time or individually. From the project dashboard, you can click on the proposals link to view all the proposals for that project. If you have the client portal already created, you can simply select the proposal that you want, go up to bulk actions, and check publish to client, and click updated, and that will publish this proposal to the client portal, and they'll get an email that they have a new proposal to take a look at. There's a more detailed way to publish proposals also to the client portal, and we'll show you that right now. What you want to do is click on the client portal button from the project dashboard, and that opens up the client portal, your designer's view of it. And if you click on the proposals tab, here you'll see a list of all the proposals that have been published so far to the client portal that the client has access to. They have access to all the items on this proposal and this proposal and this one, etc. So to see proposals that are not published yet, click on the not published link. Here you'll see a list of all the unpublished proposals that the client does not yet have access to. So to publish a proposal, simply select the proposal that you want, and you can also click on it to open up the proposal and double check and make sure you have everything on it that you want before you publish it, but then just select it and then come back up here to the top and hit change publish status, and then click on the check to publish client checkbox and click update. That's going to remove it from the unpublished list and put it onto the published list, and that will show up down here now. And that's going to email the client and let the client know they have a new proposal to take a look at and all the items that are on it. Now what this looks like to the client is if we go to the client portal, this is what your client can see. We refresh this home page. Here we'll see a whole bunch of new items on the home page that were on that proposal that they can then click on any of these decided or undecided links, and they can approve them or decline them and make comments on them directly from their home page. They can also open up the proposal itself to see the whole thing at one time if they click on the proposal link. And here the client can see the totals for the proposal, all the items on it, and they can change their decision individually, or if they want to, they can update the entire proposal at one time. They can say they want to approve the entire proposal, partially approve the proposal. That's where they will decide which ones they want individually, or they can decline the entire proposal at one time. Now, if they decline it or they approve the proposal, that will cascade through all of the items that are on it and update their decision automatically. And when that happens, you'll get an email from DesignerLogic telling you that the client has updated their decision on the proposal, and the proposal in your page will actually be updated to reflect what that looks like. In fact, we'll go back and show you what that looks like. We're going to click Update Decision. We're going to leave it as they're going to approve this, and we're going to hit Submit. And here you can see it changed all the items on that proposal to approved. And at the header of the proposal, it shows it's approved now and what time the client approved it. And again, this is in the client's portal. This is what they see. What you see on your end is if we go back to your client portal view and we just refresh this little page, down here we can see under that very same proposal, it was approved today at this time. And if we click on the proposal to open it, here you'll see that the client has approved it and all these items have been approved and nothing needs a decision. And over here where all the items are under the decision column, you can see the client approved all these items because they approved the whole proposal at one time. Now to remove a proposal and all the items on it from the client portal, if you want to unpublish it, just simply select it from the published section and click on the change public status link. And what you want to do is uncheck it to unpublish it, just uncheck that box and click update, and that will remove that proposal and all the items on it from the client portal. It'll keep it obviously in your own account, but it will remove access to it for the client.